right, welcome everybody to my new channel. This is called LowDiaTech. What that stands for is, well, my last name is Barlow, so Low, and then Dia is media, and of course tech. So LowDiaTech. Anyway, this is a channel for tech tutorials and also to do reviews of products. And I'll be covering all types of tech from mobile to servers to networking. My first set of videos are going to be on Cisco networking, primarily route protocols. But just to introduce myself, I'm David Barlow. I'm a senior network engineer at a world-known company. I've got about 10-ish years of experience in the networking field, probably a little more than that now. And I really love routing. So they'll be a little heavy on the routing side, especially the first few videos. But as we get into it, you'll see my interest also spread to various other aspects. I do all kinds of stuff with Linux and Windows servers. So hopefully you can find some interest with this channel. So anyway, welcome to the channel.